to introduce you to our project, which is Clinic Management System. In our project, we have created a website for a clinic which is owned by Dr. Rajat Dogra, who also has 3 other clinics near Chandigarh area. First of all, I would like to introduce you to my teammates, which is Shikhar Walia and Palak. With the permission and full guidance of Dr. Rajat Dogra, we have been successful in completing the website for the clinics and in the allotted time. The aim behind creating these websites was to make the clinics more popular and viable to the people that in the Chandigarh area, and also to the foreign clients that the clinics have. Now Shikhar Walia, my team member, is going to introduce you through the functionality of the project.
This is the first page of our website, in which the user first log into the website. If the user is not registered to the website, he first click on the new user registration here. After this, the user fill out his detail. For example, username is ABC, his email abc@gmail.com, then his password, let's say 12, then confirm password, then he selected city, Ambala. After submitting, he is registered and goes to the front page, which is the RHV the Homeopathic Clinic. This is the slider of RHV the Homeopathic Clinic, in which different pics are there. This is the our slider. Next we have about little bit introduction about homeopathy. These are our Dr. Rajat Dogra and Dr. Jaya Dogra. This is the read more link from which he can read in detail about the homeopathic. These are the different addresses of RHV the Homeopathic Clinic in near Chandigarh area. This is the Chandigarh address, Zirakpur and Derabasi. Also, there are 2 given links, Facebook link and YouTube. On clicking the Facebook link, you go to the RHV Homeopathic Clinic Facebook page. I will show you. See है ना? Submit. This is the RHV the Homeopathic Clinic FB page. Also, we have the YouTube video link. On clicking the YouTube link, YouTube videos, you can see our YouTube videos. These are the YouTube videos. Then also we have the appointment page. If the patient want to appointment with Dr. Rajat, he can fill the make appointment page. On clicking this, he can fill out his details, username, first name, last name, email address, mobile, and the time. After submitting, he get the appointment. Also, we have the gallery in which videos are there. The patient can see the case study. Patient can see the videos of previous patient handled by Dr. Rajat. Also, we have the achievements. RHV Homeopathic Clinic also have the achievement. These are the certain achievement, or we can say the case studies. For example, this is the case of migraine handled by Dr. Rajat. These are the history and what medicine are given to the patient is there. After next, this is the second case study of stone in the kidney handled by Dr. Rajat. This all have past medical history, present complaints, personality, medicine, follow-ups, result after medicine. Next, this is also third case study, case of allergy. After this, the person can also or the patient can also contact us, or want to send the email, who can also send. For example, I am the patient, fill out my name Shikhar. Subject is to appointment. My email is shikharwalia@gmail.com. This is the body. For example, this this is the body. For example, I want.
Now this was our project. Thank you. Now at the end we'd like to thank Mrs. Rinkle Agarwal, our teacher, for allowing us to undertake this project and supporting us throughout it. Thank you.